Today I'm going to show you how to do a puzzle using the back of a food box or a cereal box, or the back of a circular, or you can use some kind of mailing that you get that's interesting looking, and you only need scissors, glue, and as I said, the back of a food box or the cardboard of a food box, preferably one you like. See you in a little bit. Okay, so I have this back of a cracker box, and I'm gonna turn it around so I can draw in the back. And with a pen or marker, I'm gonna draw across and break it up into different shapes, and they can be organic shapes. I find it harder to put together if it is organic shapes. And the more shapes you put in it, the more difficult your puzzle will be. So you can make it like a 20-piece puzzle or a 30-piece puzzle. You can also make a really easy puzzle, and then once you get bored of the easy puzzle, make it harder and harder each time by cutting the pieces up into smaller pieces. So here I have my shapes already drawn on. Now I'm going to be cutting everywhere where I drew. So here I have all my pieces cut, and I'm going to turn around all the pieces, and I'm ready to work on my puzzle. A good strategy is putting like items together. So if you see the title, for example, you might want to put all those together. If you see the barcode, you might want to put those together. If you see the cracker, you might want to put those together, because most likely those pieces will go together. I'll be right back. And here I'm putting the last piece of my puzzle. Perfect. And I can do two things from here. I can get a piece of paper. This one is from a paper bag, and you can glue your pieces on the correct way on it, or you can get a plastic bag and save all your pieces to put together later. Actually, there's a third thing you can do, and that is cut your pieces even smaller and make your puzzle a lot more difficult. Hey, hope you had fun making a puzzle. Please send me a picture of your puzzle. Have fun.